Welcome to a Chow Down. I'm Michael Matera.
And I'm Mila Matera.
And we're gonna tell you a recipe that Mila has loved since she was super little. And it's super simple. It is a vegan, gluten-free, healthy, we can stick a bunch of words in here, cookie dough recipe that you can make in your own home. Mila, why don't you tell us what's all in it?
All right, there is baking soda, peanut butter or any nut butter, maple syrup, 2 cans of chickpeas, some vanilla extract, and chocolate chips.
And the only tool you're gonna need for this recipe, or at least one I like, is to have a food processor, because you're gonna just kind of dump all of these things in here, blend it up. But to get started, we first have to rinse our chickpeas. And what we wanna do is we wanna rinse that off, get all that sort of, canned juice off of it, clean it all off, and then dump them in. All of them go in, and now what's next, Mila?
All right, now I'm going to tell you about your measurements. So for the vanilla extract, you're going to have 4 teaspoons. Your maple syrup is 1/3. Your peanut butter is 1/2. Your baking soda is 1/4, and your salt is 1/4 and 1/8.
We're gonna do these one at a time. We put 4 teaspoons of vanilla in. We're gonna put that 1/3 cup maple in.
And for your peanut butter, you might want a spoon to scoop it out.
All right, so let's scoop out this peanut butter, Mila, into our 1/2 cup peanut butter. And if you go with a little extra, I'm cool with that.
Yeah.
We have made this with almond butter, cashew butter. They're all delicious. I think my favorite actually is the almond butter, but I'm a sucker for peanut butter too. It's so fun to cook in the kitchen together. That's what I hope you guys are doing at home with these Chow Downs. And now you're gonna plop that right in there, Mila.
Okay. Scoop all that goodness out. There we go.
Here's a spoon for you, my love.
Thanks.
We need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Just sprinkle that in. And Mila Moo, if you can come over here and help me out. We need 1/4 teaspoon salt plus 1/8. So I'm gonna do the 1/8. I'm gonna do the little. She's gonna do the big.
Alrighty.
All right, so now we blend it up. Mila, you wanna go and push the button here?
The magic is happening.
That's right, and we just keep blending it until it's this nice, smooth consistency. I don't know if you guys can even hear me over this, but I apologize.
Till it's nice and smooth. Kind of like dough-like.
I don't really think you can go wrong on making it blend for a little longer.
You can always test it too.
All right, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna smell. Oh, it smells so good. All right, now we need a bowl to sort of put this in. So I'm gonna help Mila. Now Mila, you can get the rest out of this thing now the blade's gone.
Okay. Wow, this is so fun. It smells amazing. Only if there was a way where you could smell through the camera.
Little smell-o-vision.
Yeah, smell-o-vision.
I have to tell you, I licked it a little bit from the blade. It is delicious.
Super good.
She's like not wanting to waste a bit.
Yes, it is all going in. Waste not, want not.
Ooh, good, I like that. Good for these times, right? Well, good for any time, really.
Yeah. We should think about it more. Okay.
Let me help you get just even a little more.
Yes, we want everything.
We want it all. We want it all, people. Because this is like a healthy dessert. That's a win-win, people.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like carrots exactly.
It's not that healthy.
It's not that healthy, but it's better than having 12,000 chocolates.
Speaking of 12,000 chocolates, next up, I use 2 big mitts, 2 handfuls of this.
Which would be 4 of a tiny little bit.
Let's use cups here and see if this gives you a little more precise measurement. So let's try 1 cup. And we're gonna mix that in, see how that looks. So we're just gonna mix that around.
I would say about 1 more.
Boom. I agree with Mila. We want more chips.
We're crazy people. But if 1 cup to you is enough,
it's right.
have
Do it
1
to
cup.
taste. I think we're gonna end up with a cup and about a half. I didn't put the full cup in there. So mix that in there, Mila.
Use those muscles.
Use those muscles.
Yes, this is more like it. You want like a chocolate chip or millions of them in each bite. That's how it works. All right, that's way more like it.
So now we got it in the bowl, and Mila, give it a good old lick taste test.
That's
Yes.
like so good. That's so good.
It is so good, guys. All right, so from Mila and me to you guys, we hope you guys take this Chow Down, and truly, I think we hope as a family you guys chow down. As always, if you could pass this along, right? We want to see your recipes. As such, we have a couple of them right here, and the people that made them, they've really passed on those kettle corn recipes and did a really good job with that. That was from Chow Down number 2. We hope to see you guys try Chow Down number 3. And if you're just joining us, check out those other Chow Downs because they were some great ones. Look, hey, what? All right, we gotta go. See you guys.